Everyone, this is Kimo Vlog. Si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Donbell compilation. Teka lang, what is the meaning of this? Wait lang, kailan to? Bago ba to? Si Donnie yan, no? Bago ba to? Bago ba to? Can someone comment down below? Tinan ko nga yung comment kung kailan to. Bago lang, 6 minutes ago. Bago lang. Bago lang to, ma'am. Ay, wonderful night. Nightful. Ano to?
Mamamatay muna ako bago ko gawin yung kasalanan sinasabi mo.
Ay. Hala, bago nga. Hello po. Donato and Kyle are back under the water using DPBS na sila. Oh. Si Donnie pala. Kala ko dito si Belle. Kasi sa caption kanina ang saya ni nanay. Wait. Ay, sana all. Wait. Sana all kinakando. Sana all talaga kinakando. Hala, wala na. Hala, sana all. Ako din, Donnie. Donnie, ako din. Ay, what is this? Ang kulit ng dinosaur. Bakit? Ay, kiss. Ay! Yeah. Totoo. Ginagawa ng dinosaur ang ano niya, ang, what do you call this? Ang totoong atake. Perfect ang dinosaur dito. I love it. Anyway. Ay, wait tayo sa wakas ng showing cinemas. Okay. Naalala niyo may camera pala. Tingin, bakit nakalimutan nila may camera? Okay. Ang cute ni Donnie, walang bibitaw. Hinihintay talaga si Bill kahit daming bit-bitin. Uy, toray. Jowa nga ni, ganun talaga yun. Ganun talaga pag jowa. Wala na talaga tayo magagawa dyan. Jowa na nga. Oh my God, ang lala. Yung mga tinginan kasi talaga nila Thank you for 70 viewers. See you later, Donbell. See you later. No goodbyes. See you later. Diba? Itong sa Edmund, puro ka SL. Nakakabobo yung comment mo. Nagpapalata ka talagang bobo ka, Edmund. Kulang. Puro SL. Wala hanggang dyan lang siya. Napako na siya sa SL. May mga Hong Kong serye na nga ang Donbell. Ikaw SL ka pa din ng SL. Diba? Ewan ko sa'yo, Don. Edmund, nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Ay, ano to? Grabe naman yung feelings, Donnie, pag kumanta. Feel na feel naman pala ni Donato pag kumanta for today's video. Okay. Ay, ano to? Okay na kahit magpuyat. Na-cue later kita. Na-cue na Donbell, ha? Puyat na ako later. Kita ko na Donbell. Okay.
Lahat ng may simula,
Ay. May wakas.
may wakas.
Tapos.
Class, first day natin. Expected ko
Ay.
magulo, maingay, at may makikilala kayo na magpapabago sa buhay niyo.
Ay, may pa-love life si sir.
Ay. Ang ganda ng scene nila nito, no? Feeling ko wala silang TF dyan. Feeling ko talaga wala. Ay, bakit nagalit niya si Donnie? Nakalimutan ko, nagalit si Donnie dyan. Nagalit ba si Donnie dyan? forgot. Bakit nagalit si Bonnie dyan? Okay.
Bel na, tara na. Bel na. Bel na bakla. Tara na, atake na tayo, te. Hi, sir. Sir Bel na, ingat ka.
Sorry, class dismissed already. I will not entertain any more
Hindi
things.
naman po ako late.
Ay, ano to? Wait lang, kinikilig ako. Kainis. Ewan ko sa inyo, Don Bell. After nila dumaan, ano, ayan, hinga muna bago mag-visit sa black screen. Pero, usap na naman sila. Kala mo naman talaga. Di ba? Having their own moments talaga sila. Sa totoo lang. They're having their own moments. Di ba? Usap lang sila. Upo lang sila. Usap lang sila talaga. Ay, what is this?
It's a place away from home that we really feel
Ay, hindi ko pa na napanood.
a part of. Kasi Cebu is part of all our projects, so they've been with us throughout this whole journey. So we've just been going around the malls, the cinemas, saying hi to all
Ganda ni
supporters.
Belle talaga,
We're
super.
very, very happy that we got to include Cebu in our tour.
Nakakatuwa because we were able to go to block screenings earlier. Grabe yung pag-welcome nila sa amin. And it's been a while since pumunta ako dito. And of course, the lechon.
Yun yung unang stop na.
Always looking forward to lechon here.
Lechon House?
Yes.
House of Lechon. Sarap talaga ng lechon. Dami namin kinain. But yeah, it's always a good time.
Yes.
So you have
So they go through the ups and downs of a relationship, which hopefully everyone can relate to.
Yeah, siguro yung material talaga, how different it is from our previous ones. Our first time being directed by Derek Cathy for a movie together. And just how humanized the characters are. Hindi sila yung fantasy characters na may good, may bad.
Napaka-ano na ni Belle, no?
Parang talaga silang totoo.
Alam mo, napakagdaan naman talaga ng
That's
Belle
something
kung
that's very
pinapanood mo sila.
Something we appreciate.
Diba?
yes for Belle specifically.
So,
This is your
ano yan?
second time working with Derek
Yes.
Cathy. So how is this
Ano yan
different,
talaga?
like working since your last movie with her sa family drama and this?
Tapos nagdagan pa ng English nila na sagot. Wala na. Tapos na.
Super iba
Diba?
yung approach niya. Kasi there, since bunso ako, she treats me like the bunso talaga in the family. But dito kasi we
Okay.
can see na the journey
Adult
of
ka na.
Jessica, how she gets, empowered. So ibang-iba yung approach ni Direk. And she's always been an actor's director. That's what I really love about Direk. She really guides us. She cries with us. She laughs with us. She's really such an amazing director and more than that, amazing mother to us.
I love that person. And you guys are together because there's
Anyways, ituloy natin to ha. This is Kibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye. Dalawa naman yung video natin today.